Our project is Starways in association with Farmland, which is an online vegetable shopping portal. So there are three sections that are available in our portal, which is the first one is the buyer's corner, the next is the farmer's circle, and the next is the motor section for the logistic company. And if you want to give further feedback or queries for our portal, you can send it via email through this portal. So the main vision of this project is to maximum utilization of the available and emerging technologies to deliver the evolution of modern agriculture. So there are about 5 pages that are available in our portal. First, we'll go to the sign up page. In the sign up page, we have to enter the name, email ID, and we have to create a username and set a password. Uh, so the kind of analysis that we have done for this portal overall is like market analysis include the pestle analysis, SWOT analysis, and BEP analysis. Once you enter the all the necessary detail and get registered through this page, you will get redirected to the login page. In the login page, you have to enter the username and the password that you have created up in the sign up page. And once you get login, it will get redirected to the home page of our website. uh, Below the home page, if you are a buyer, you can go to the buyer's corner and add the necessary vegetable that you want to the cart. So there are various kinds of vegetables that are available. Some of them were onions, tomatoes, garlic, potatoes, carrot, etc. So it is in terms of quantity. The quantities are of kgs. You can add either of kgs of vegetables in the cart. Uh, so we have done some image processing to improve the buyer section like online market quality in and out check. Machine learning along with visual recognition to identify the edibility of the product, and we have also integrated chatbot for the user queries. So once you submit add all the necessary vegetables, you will get an order summary of the amount of quantities of vegetables that you have added and the total quantity of vegetables also. And once you click the submit button, you will get a message of ordered successfully. So and you will also get the estimated delivery time. So if you want to shop more, you can click the to shop more button and you can shop it. So all the entered data will go to the database that is created already using MySQL, and it gets stored there. So the next is the farmer circle. The farmer who has to sell their product has to register in this page by adding their name, contact number, address, bank account, and their product details. Um, and the data has been saved again to the database that is available. And the next is the mota section, which is for the logistic company. So they also has to enter their necessary details. Once they get entered, their information is also saved up in the database that is available. So this portal acts as a mediator between the farmer and the buyers. So we have also created an Android app as similar to that of the portal, which consists of all the same facilities that is available up in the portal. In this portal, which once we order, once the buyer order, it goes to the farmers, and the logistic company reaches the farmers and get the vegetables and deliver to the buyers at the expected time. So in this Android app also, you can do the similar adding up of quantities and you can place your order.